Hi, my name's Allison, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install WooCommerce to your WordPress site. So to get started, you're going to go to Plugins and Add New. Once here, in the search bar, you can go ahead and search for WooCommerce. It should be the first one that comes up right here, and you can go ahead and click Install Now. Once it's installed, you can either activate it on this page by clicking the Activate button, or go to the Installed Plugins and Activate. Once it's activated, you're going to want to go into the WooCommerce settings and set up your information like your address and all this just general information about your site. Then you can go to the WooCommerce home and you can finish setting up everything for your site, whether it's your store details, products, payments, tax, and personalization. Then once you have your site live for a while, you'll get this awesome little menu right here and you can check how your site's doing. Or if you want to get more specific, there's this whole WooCommerce menu and you can check your orders, your customers, coupons, reports, settings, status, extensions, and more. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media.